Hey guys, Leela's Tools here. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been a minute. Uh, not going, not too much going on tonight, and I thought, hey, let me give you guys a little rundown of what I got in all my drawers in my shop. So this is my little service cart that doesn't really get used as a service cart. Got some pry bars and screwdrivers and picks and stuff. Some stuff up there. Sort of a catch-all for chisels and big stuff in there. Won't focus. There's that. My box here. This is sort of my machinist kind of box. Got all my files in there. This is all drill bits and the like. This one. These are all my machinist tools in here. Bore gauges and micrometers and such. More drills and hole saws, etc. there. My extra taps, tap sockets, all that sort of stuff in here. This is the uh-oh drawer. Extractors, good drills, yeah, the whole assortment of that. Pretty much everything for getting everything unstuck, and a whole hole saw set over there. This is my rethreading kit from Snap-on. Love that kit. Some add-on pieces there, thread checkers, and just some miscellaneous old nut driver set there. And this is my tap and die set right here. Moving over, I got an old Makita grinder up there just taken apart. All sorts of stuff. In here I got, extra parts, O-rings, plastic clips, seals, springs, all that sort of stuff. Go over to this box. There's my top. I'm not going to go over everything, but you guys can get the gist of it. My torque screwdrivers in here. More screwdrivers, wood chisels, nut drivers, standard and metric. More common screwdrivers, Robertson's, 1/4 5/16, all them in there. This is my extension universal adapter drawer. My Snap-on sets there. Locking, all those guys in there. This is my real big wrench drawer. Couple crow's feet. More wrenches, S wrenches, my bigger metric wrenches, old stuff, full set of gray Canadas there, double open ends, etc. Offset box SAE. These are my other main use screwdrivers, my Snap-on set, some other ratcheting nut driver set, some long screwdrivers, my vessel screwdrivers. We go over to the next box. Oh, the camera's getting blown out here. Okay, there we go. So I keep my most used stuff here, my pocket pry bars, my markers, my bits, and my chrome sockets, swivel, spark plugs, 1/4 inch impact, all that there, the big cobras. Now I have some more screwdrivers. It's a top drawer. It's all metric. Flex ratcheting, adjustables, normal ratcheting, Milwaukee combination set. It's also all metric. Long double box flex, E-Torx, offset, whole bunch of 10mm, thin wrenches, reversing ratcheting, stubbies, Craftsman line wrenches there, and one snap-on. Let's put my cigarette out here, hold on. Next drawer is SAE. Almost full set of snap-ons. 1/4 to 1 inch, all snap-on. And hiding under here is 1.25 inch snap-on. Reversible ratchetings, a couple non-reversible stubbies, crow's feet, thin wrenches, stubby, stubby flex, little micro snap-on wrenches in there. This is all my micro bits, big Torx, triple squares, security 5 lobes, you know, all that. Pretty much everything in there. Bunch more 10mm. More bits there. More bits in there. This is a interesting set. It's real quick. I haven't had a chance to use it, but it's a ratcheting wrench there with bits with a detent, so a low profile, like bit ratchet kind of thing. So that's all I got in there. I got my little Tool Check Plus. Next is the ratchet drawer. My 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 torque wrenches. My ratchets, a couple are out because I'm working on my car at the moment. Bit ratchets, ratcheting screwdriver, breaker bar, torque angle. That's all that's in there. And the pliers drawer. Lots of Knipex, scissors, cutters, some snap-ons, long reach, hose grip, etc. Gotta bend over for this one. Getting down here. Picks, Allen's, Torx, little hockey stick bars, non-marring picks and pry bars. Those are awesome. Sort of a junk drawer, but good stuff. Scrapers, pens, Loctite, etc. Deburring tool, those are great. My electrical drawer, cutters, crimpers, soldering iron, circuit tester, fuses, crimp connectors, heat shrink. It's all in there, extra wire. Darn tarp I forgot to fold up. This is my automotive stuff. Trim tools, brake caliper hangers, disconnects, some scrapers, hub scrubber, feeler gauges, some specialty sockets, etc. More automotive stuff. Bolt, grip puller set, fluid extractor, oil filter wrenches, more pullers, bearing splitter, seal, tie rod, etc. Steering wheel puller, oil filter wrenches, and then bottom here is my blow molds, harmonic balancer installer, radio removers, master alternator, remover installer, diesel compression tester. It's that fuel and air conditioning disconnect, double flaring kit, OTC compression tester, and that's a wind-in caliper kit. And my hole cutter kit there. Going over to this box, my punch and chisel drawer. literally what's in there, punches and chisels. This one is sort of just a catch-all, just a bunch of bits and adapters in there. More automotive stuff, vacuum, cam holders, oxygen sensor wrench, something for 6.0 power strokes. We got their Noid lights. Overflow sockets. And these are all just sockets that are like part of a collection. They're not really used. Mostly vintage stuff, Indestro and old stuff like that. Some random stuff down there. Pan across. Over here, this is just, well, collection and also some stuff, pipe wrenches. My big adjustables, Spud, aluminum, rigid. More adjustables. Breaker bars, nut driver, 1/4 inch squares. Move this stuff. Ratchet collection in there. There's always stuff in the way here. And this should be my overflow pliers in there. Vice grips, chain wrench. Good stuff to have, but stuff you don't use every day. Now I gotta move this stuff back this way. Small wrenches, mostly just collection stuff. Spark plug sockets, old sailor's knife, miscellaneous bits, more bits, and this is just extra organization, Ulsa, Ernst, etc. in there. And for the last box, pretty much, this is more of just a collection box as well. Let's go through it real quick. Stubby collection, small screwdrivers, a couple that are starting to stink pretty bad. Screw holding screwdrivers. This should be wood stuff, yeah, wood handled stuff. They're all like multi-bit of all sorts, old, new, in between. Nut drivers. And the overflow screwdrivers are in there. And just have all sorts of stuff. My pack out full of screws and my power tools up there. Oh, I suppose I can take you through this one. So my sandpaper and that. Hacksaw, grinding discs, recips, razor blades. It's my hammer drawer. Snap-on, Proto. Good hammers. More collection of sockets and the like. Same here. Got some drum sanders in there. And then down here, this is all pulling and whatnot. And last but not least, down in here I've got all my chemicals, a couple blow molds, serpentine tool, rags, funnels, fluids. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Give me some likes and maybe we'll get back to making some more videos. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.